Both the Viofo A229 Pro and Vueroid D21 4K have a manual recording / emergency recording button. So how does it work? Well, first things first, the Viofo A229 Pro can be activated two different ways. One is with voice control. Lock the video.
Video protected.
And as you can see right there, it is locking the video on the actual unit. Now, we get a lot of questions over the last year in terms of how the actual locked videos work, because it works a lot different than a lot of the Korean-made dash cams like Thinkware, Vueroid, Blackview, etc. So the way it actually works is, let's say you have this on 1 minute loop recording. If it's in the last 10 seconds of that loop recording of the 60 seconds, so it's in the 50 to 60 second range, it'll lock the whole 1 minute video leading up to that 50 seconds, the next video as well for the full minute. If it's set on 3 minutes and it's at 2 minutes and 50 seconds, it's going to lock that 3 minute video and the next 3 minute video for the locked video. And the other way to lock the video is actually just push this button right here.
Video protected.
And that's the other way that you actually lock the video on a Viofo dash camera. Now, when we go to the Vueroid works a little bit different. This button right here is a manual recording button.
Start manual recording.
So just like that, it's going to start manually recording. And how it actually works is it goes back 10 seconds and saves a separate 30-second video file in your manual recording event folder. So this is actually just how it works. So it doesn't actually save like multiple minutes like the Viofo does, but it goes back 10 seconds because typically, let's say you're pulling up, you've seen a car accident happen, it takes you a few seconds to react, but there was no impact to your vehicle, so it's not actually going to lock it. So now you can actually just hit this button, like we showed you. It'll go back 10 seconds and save a separate video file.